Indoor and outdoor padlock with key. Maximum security lock with tough-cut octagonal boron-carbide shackle is best used as a gate lock, shed lock, and storage locker lock. Lock is constructed with solid steel for increased strength and security. Protective bumper for scratch resistance. Keyway cover for weather protection. Removable cylinder provides ability to rekey your lock. 5-pin cylinder and dual ball bearing locking mechanism provides maximum pick and pry resistance. Tough-cut octagonal boron-carbide shackle is 50% harder than hardened steel. 2-1/2 in, 64 mm, wide lock body. 7/16 in, 11 mm, diameter shackle with 2 in, 51 mm, length. 15/16 in, 24 mm, width. Extended shackle for application flexibility. Includes 1 padlock, 2 keys. Top reviews from the United States. Great locks for the money. I have several of these locks outside and they hold up very well to the weather. They are very sturdy and secure. I recommend then to keep your items secure.